Hello children, welcome to my channel. Let's learn maths. Today I will teach you fraction. Fraction. So what is fraction? Fraction is when a whole thing is divided into two or many equal parts. When a whole thing is divided into two or many equal parts. Okay, then each part is called fraction. Let me repeat. When a whole thing is divided into two or many equal parts, then each part is called fraction of the whole. Okay. For example, let's take a very common example of fraction, a pizza. We everyone eat pizza, correct? Our favorite pizza. So this is the pizza. Some toppings are there. Some cheese are there. Okay. So in my family, there are 4 people and I have ordered only one pizza. And as I said, there are 4 members there in my family. So how we 4 members will eat one pizza? How we can do that? We have to divide the pizza into equal parts. Okay, in the 4 equal parts. Then each part is called the fraction. Then each part is called the fraction. So there are how many parts I have divided? 1, 2, 3, 4. So each part will become 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Why 1 by 4? Okay. So 1 by 4 is the chosen part will be on the top, or the color part will be on the top, and the whole parts will be on the bottom. Okay. So here if I say Manali will eat this part. Okay. So Manali took one piece. So my part will be 1. And how many parts were there of pizza? 1, 2, 3, 4. So your denominator says whole part. My bottom it says whole part. So how many was the whole part? 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I clear? Okay. Then what is half? Half is if a whole is divided into two equal parts. If a whole is divided into two equal parts, then each part is half. Then each part is half. How we write this each part? We write 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Then what is 1/3? 1/3 is if a whole, this is half, and now I am teaching you 1/3. If a whole is divided into 3 equal parts. So how I will divide a pizza into 3 equal parts? Let's assume, as I said earlier, we are 4 members in a family, but my younger daughter will not have pizza. So we 3 people will have now. 3 members will have now. So one big pizza. How the 3 people members will have? We'll divide the pizza into 3 equal parts. This is 3 equal part. Okay. 1, 2, 3. How many parts? 3. Okay. So this is what we call 1/3. Each part we say is 1/3. Each part is 1/3. Each part is called 1/3 of the whole, and it is written as 1 by 3. It is written as 1 by 3. Then what is 1/4? 1/4. If the whole part is divided into 4 equal parts like this. Like this. A pizza is divided into 4 equal parts. Correct? So, this is called 1/4 or quarter. This is called, let me draw it again here. This is called 1/4 or quarter. Okay. Quarter of the whole. Quarter of the whole. So how we write a fraction? As I said, this is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 2, which is half. This is 1 by 3. And this is quarter, 1 by 4. Okay. So how we write a fraction? The number of part chosen, then total number of equal parts. Okay. In this, if I say circle, if I make a circle and I choose only one part. So how we will write the fraction of this part? It's 1 by 2. 2 is the whole. In whole, how many parts are there? 2 parts are there. And I have chosen only one. So it is 1 by 2. Okay. The top part in 1 by 2, the top part we call it as numerator. And the bottom part is called denominator. Okay. The upper part is called numerator. The bottom part is called denominator. Let's do some example. So let's do the first example. First is 1 by 2 of 4. 1 by 2 of 4. So question is 1 by 2 of 4. We have to solve this question. How can we solve this question? First we have to write equal to 1 by 2 into 4. Of will replace by into. Okay. Then as I said, the top portion is called numerator and the bottom is called denominator. Okay. So let's write in this form. Okay. We will do the table. We will do the table of 2. Bottom one, denominator. We will always do the table of denominator. So in 2's table, tell me where the 4 will come. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So let's do 2 twos are 4. So I got 4. So I will cut 4 and I will write 2's. Since I got 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. So I got an answer 2. So I will say 2. Correct? You can do in this way. The another way is say equal to 1 by 2 into 4. Instead of bringing here like this, you can directly say 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. So, we will say 2 twos are 4. It means I got answer 4 in 2's table with number 2. So, we will cut 4 and we will say 2. So, how have to read this? 2 twos are 4. So, my answer is 2. My answer is 2. Let's take another example. 1 by 5 of 10. 1 by 5 of 10. Let's do this. We'll say equal to 1 by 5. What we have to write here? Into 10. So tell me in 5's table where you will get 10. Yes, 5 twos are 10. So my answer is again here is 2. Okay. My answer here again is 2. Now these are numbers. You may get a question like this. 1/3 of 18. 1/3 of 18. Oh my God. Looks very tricky question. Looks very tricky for you. But it's not tricky at all. Let's make it simple. So what is 1/3? What is 1/3? 1/3 as I said is 1 by 3. Let's say equal to 1 by 3. 1/3 is 1 by 3 and into, and here I have to bring my 18. Correct? So now I have to read the table of 3. And then tell me in 3's table where will I get 18? Correct. In 3's table I will get in 6. So my answer is 6. Very simple. Let's do another tricky. Okay. A quarter of 16. My God, this looks again a very tough question. Is it? No, not at all. Let's make very simple. What is quarter? What is quarter in fraction? How we write the quarter in fraction? We write quarter in fraction as 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into, what's the number? 16. 16. So let's, which table I will read out? I will read out 16 table. No, I will read out 4's table. Correct. Let's do the 4 table and tell me where will I get 16? Correct. 4 4s are 16. So my answer is 16. Let's do one last sum. It's 1/6. 1/6 of 24. My God. I know about half. I know about 1/3. I know about one quarter. My God, what is 1/6? Very complicated. These teachers gave very complex maths, very complex sum. It's very difficult. No, 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 no. It's not difficult. It's only you have to apply the logic. Only you have to apply the logic. Let's make very simple. What is, how we can write 1/6? How we can write 1/6? We can write 1/6 as 1 by 6. Correct? Yes. And into 24. Into 24. And which table I will read? I will read 6 table. Tell me in 6 table where will I get a 24? Yes. 6 4s are 24. So my answer is 4. Very good. So here let me stop the fraction. Okay. For the further some story on fraction, we will continue another video as a part 2. This is a part 1 of fraction. We'll switch on to my part 2 video for the fraction. Thank you children for joining.